Let's go. TP smash.
Look at that.
The Power Hour special is officially sponsored by Alpha Futures.
Power Hour, we are up $1,900 already into it in 10 minutes.
Yeah, bro.
More money. More money for you guys.
Welcome, guys, to
Yeah,
the
let's
Power
do it.
Hour special featuring myself, Logan the CSO, and Javi the Maestro. It is August 7th, 2:41 p.m. We are trading the last hour of the market. Javi and I absolutely crushed it today. Javi's showing that he made $5,648 on the Pro Plus, on the Pro, and not just trading it on his Pro, but he did it on his phone, which is fucking insane.
Yeah.
Insane.
Yeah. Dude,
Imagine
that's
being
my
able to do
biggest
that.
day on a Pro and doing it all on my phone. But that freaking fold is a game changer, man. I keep plugging Samsung. I need them to fucking sponsor me because I've probably already sold them like 50 phones at least.
Yeah. I made 28K on funded accounts, and then I just hit 3K on my Pro Plus. So $31,000 on funded accounts. And then I made another 12,000 on some evals. So literally a $43,000 day. Fucking insane.
Yeah, watch. I'll show this. I'll show the setup that I trade on because I know some guys are like mobile's ass, and I get it. But when you have a device like this, and it's on my Instagram and all that, but still, I know some people don't go on the socials and all. But when you have a setup like this, dude, like it's just insanely powerful. Like this is the setup. I got my two charts. There's my 5 minute, my 1 minute, using my quantum and all my other fun stuff, and then I have my DOM right below. So there's my DOM right below, just like I will be on PC.
Yeah.
Made all that while we were waiting for all the stuff that we were doing.
Yeah, I've tried doing it on my
being
phone.
on Facebook.
I can't do it.
Instead of being on Facebook and stuff, I was just like, let me see if I can make money. I did not expect to be that much though. Dumpers all day, like Max said. Yeah, it dumped hard as soon as it hit up. But there's a couple SPX gaps up top. There's still one at the bottom from a few days ago that hasn't filled yet. But I don't think it'll get there today. I think we might stay around this area, getting surrounded by levels. It's been in this chop area for a while too. Woo! All right, let me share the screen. I got everything set up now. Like I said, hey, mobile trading. I know it is hard for a lot of people, man. And so it's like one of those things. You either enjoy it and you're good at it. I prefer trading on my phone than on the setup, even though the setup is clean as hell too. I'm pretty crazy. My brain's not normal.
You gotta think. I genuinely believe this, and it is what it is, and everybody can feel however they want to feel. I think anybody who's a successful and a good trader, like you got to have a little tism in you. Like Javi, me, Max, Lama. You can't tell me that we all don't have a little bit of autism in us. You have to. It's the only way you could be a good trader, and that's fine. It is what it is. We're all a little fucking weird. We got a little bit of problems, but we're good on certain things.
Yeah, we're weird in our own way. But yeah, I can't keep focused on one thing. Like that's my thing, right? And I know like Max says, like for him, he has to stay hyper focused. I'm the opposite. Like I'll be on my phone, I'll see 3 things happening around me, and I can kind of still pick around what's going on. So we're saying we short. I honestly think it's gonna make its merry way up. This was the low of the day. It respected it here.
Renee, first payout from Alpha. Nice.
I have a level right below 332. 332 held like a boss down here. And then now we're making our slow grind up. The 2 minute is trying to regain its uptrend again. The 5 minutes kind of slowing down. Oh, okay. No, you know what? This is SP. No, this is freaking PX. I thought I had my 5 minute chart up. Let me take a look. There's 2 gaps up top of S that I think it's gonna go for. But again, it's still too early to tell. It's been stuck in this chop for a while now. So patience is going to be the key today for Power Hour.
So everyone like Alpha Futures here? Yes, Alpha Futures is a fire fucking. It's up there. It's probably one of my most favorite prop firms. Alpha Futures, you got to think they're consistent. Their rules and stuff is everything. It's legit as fuck. You basically have a 50% consistency, right? So you just got to pass in 2 days, right? And then on their advanced plan, I really like their advanced 2 days. They got the 0 plan, which is really good, I think, for newer traders. But for the advanced, right? You pass in 2 days. If you can pass in 2 days. And then after that, I'm going to shut up. If we get a next candle pops up, I'm going to go long. But what happens is on the advanced, I get five winning trading days, 5 winning trading days, and I can cash out whatever I want. So today I made $18,000. The next couple days I make $200. I get to pull out like a certain percentage of it.
Which one? Because they have a couple plans. Some of them have consistency rules, right? Some don't.
Standard
I think
does.
the advanced
doesn't. Advanced does not during the funded.
Yeah, advanced doesn't. Standard does.
Yep.
Yep. Yeah, I have one that I'm just slowly building. Obviously, went ham on my pro today. I don't know if the address change might affect it either.
Javi, if this pops up to 403, 404, this candle, I'm going long.
I'm seeing if it pulls back to this 90 area and if it can hold. If
it gets
not,
up to 404, I'm going long.
But, yep. If anybody got in when I was saying this is going to pop up, I didn't expect it to pop up mid-talk, but, you know, if you're looking at the 2 minute, here's a trigger, right? Here's the 1 minute level that held. It was just, this was it. And then we got the first gap. Looks like SPX is going for that first gap fill right now, potentially at 2607.
Need a little bit more juice.
2600.
I'm going to wait. I need a little bit more juice. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. Not yet. Not yet. Let's get some juice. Let's get some juice. Let's get some juice.
I want to see it pull back a little bit. I don't want to try to enter like while it's still peaking, but it could keep going. It could keep going. If I miss it, which, you know, the setup was down here.
Right, I'm going to jump in. Oh,
so it is what it is.
I'm going to jump in. I'm going to jump in. I got a resistance level up at 425. So I'm going to try and shoot for a little bit before that.
I'm waiting to see if it'll pull back a bit. If not.
Yep, there we go. I'm going to go for 416 is going to be my
HB.
first TP. 416 is going to be my first TP. I'm going in with 3 minis.
It needs to break this 409. There you go.
Almost.
All right, then.
Looking good.
No, it didn't fully break. It snapped right back in. It did not hold and break it.
About 5 points short.
Let's see if it'll...
No problem. Sitting at around $100, $150 in profit right now. $200. It's looking good. 416 first TP is where I'm going to trim some profits.
SPX is about to get that gap fill.
Yep.
I see a pop here. Maybe we'll get a little bit of a rest. All right, just a little pull back.
It's all right.
I'm not liking this for a 2 minute 3-bar setup potentially. Oh, dang it.
It's looking good. We're almost there. 416. And boom. TP hit. All right. Boom. Perfect. TP hit. Auto trail activated. We're sitting at $800 in profit right now.
First gap fill.
Great trade.
All right, be careful here. They just left a huge gap below.
Yep.
It needs to break through 28. We might see a pullback here.
I'm going to move all cons to
break through.
All cons are going to go to 411 because I see that gap there, Javi. We got 2 of them. So I'm going to put all cons to 411. Great first TP, trailing the rest. 411. We're going to make sure we lose none of this.
All right. I think it's going to try to fill this maybe right now or no. If it keeps going, next it needs to break this 328.05, which it got a stacked level there. So it might stall out a bit here. But hell of a snipe there. Hell of a snipe there, brother.
Yeah. Good first trade. Solid first trade for the power hour.
Whoever asked earlier, are we going short? And I said, I think this is gonna pop up, man. If anybody listened to me and got in the long, man, you'd be doing pretty damn good right now. Because that was down here around 77, I think.
Sandman just passes eval. Great work.
We'll see if we see any divergence here between the two coming up because it tends to be a little bit.
What was it?
There's the first fill.
That was weird ass bit. Oh, rather did
really?
It closed at $400, but whatever. Good start. Good start.
There's the first fill.
Oh, you know what? I'm going to do an MVG gap fill short. Javi, I'm going to do an MVG gap fill short based off of what you got going there.
I'm going to be careful with that. I'm going to be careful with that because the 5 minute flipped the first level up. The 2 minute and the 1 minute are looking like they want to stay up at the moment. We might have a little more push. I mean, there's resistance where we're at for SPX. NQ doesn't have resistance up until 40. That's the only reason I'm kind of holding off on going on a short. It might, but
gotcha. I unfortunately already committed.
All right, do it. Hey, you do you, brother.
Short already. I was like,
you do you, man. Yeah,
MVG, we're going short. So first TP is going to be first TP is going to be 95.
Yeah, filled that big gap right now. Now it's starting to curl down. You might get a push. here.
I actually have a TP at 400. But I'm going to go for 495.
There you go, brother. That was a nice, clean little play down. Hopefully you get that 400. Ooh.
My stop loss is at the top of that right now. So I get stopped out. All good. But my TPs are going to be 400 and 425. 400 and 395. Can you continue talking about your experience with Alpha? Yeah, I mean, it's a great prop firm. It's very easy to set up. Their dashboard is intense in a good way. It has everything that you need, and it's instantaneous updates. And it shows a lot of data, right? Your shorts, how well you do short, how well you do long, the time frame, when's the best time that you trade, the hours, how long are your trades. It gives so much information on their dashboard that instantly updates. It's insane, right? Yeah. And here's what's also fucking cool. I passed an alpha eval this morning. 30 minutes later, They gave me the email, signed the contract, paid, funded account. Literally 30 minutes later, I went from eval to funded, could trade the funded account. It's sick. It's so sick, so quick.
You might get your first TP here if it can hold below 414. It got close again, but it's still having trouble pushing down to that uptrend on the 1 minute that's holding up.
Now in the funded, no buffer. That's what's like also right great. You just need 5 winning days. No buffer.
Yeah, dude, and the alpha is also end of day drawdown.
Yeah, end of day. It's not that trailing bullshit you deal with the props.
Yeah, it's end of day.
And it only downside, which it's a little. Oh, we almost hit my TP. 400. Remember, 400 and 395. 400, 395. The only downside really is it's a little bit more expensive, but you got to understand why. It's fucking an incredible fucking prop to use. You don't have all these dumb fucking rules. It makes shit a lot easier. Guys, check it out. You guys know where to go. Go to the partners, and they're going to show everything. Boom, TP hit. First TP hit.
Beautiful shit.
Next one, 395.
They don't do. They think they have activation on one of them on the standard or the
advanced has an activation.
No, they're doing a no activation.
Oh, TP2 hit. Guys. I'm up fucking $1,900.
Nice trade, brother.
I'm up $1,900.
I'm gonna let you take the trades right now.
I DCA'd in that fucking trade. You guys want to see this shit? Look at this. Look at this.
Nope. No announcement has been made, guys. Not even we know what the announcement.
Look at this.
I don't know if Logan does.
Screenshot of my entry. Screenshot of the current profits during Power Hour. We are up $1,900 already into it. In fucking 10 minutes.
Fuck yeah, brother.
Out of the trade. I'm out of the trade, by the way. Out of the trade.
That was a good fucking snipe catch, dude. That was clean as hell. That was clean
as
hell.
Easy.
Easy. Popped up immediately. If this purple candle gets overtaken, then we're going to be right back to the potential push up.
Mama D's 43-6 since coaching with me. Holy shit.
Hell yeah, Mama D.
Dude, she's going to fucking beat me. Oh my God. 43-6? That's insane.
I think you'd enjoy that, Logan. Mama D beating you,
dude. I'm gonna when Mama D starts making more money than me, all I'm gonna say is she has an advantage of me because she was on the Chicago 4. That's gonna be my excuse.
What's up, everybody? Big Daddy Max here. Imagine if we simplified trading for you to where blue means up and purple means down. Well, that is what the quantum shift indicator does. If you're not going to do one and done like Big Daddy Max preaches and you want to scalp all day long, at least be smart and use the quantum shift indicator. Simplify your trading and be successful today.
Alpha Futures Advanced personally is my favorite. I think Zero plan is really, really good. For some of you newer guys who are newer to trading, I think it has consistency rules, but the payout structure and like the flexibility it has, I think it's a lot better for a newer trader.
To advanced.
Yeah, the advanced is good.
Similar.
It has a higher profit target though. Advanced has a much higher profit target, so it's a little bit harder for newer traders. I personally love it though.
Yeah, I passed 2 funded next accounts. I'm just waiting for the KYC thing to get approved or whatever. So I've been waiting. I'm on day 2 though. Yes, you can take Logan's coaching if you're not Max or Lama student, Jonathan. You can take any of our coaching sessions without being a student of Max or Lama. Everyone's wondering if Max has not announced a thing yet, everyone. That's still
I don't even know what he's announcing. I don't know.
We don't even know yet. He's gonna when he comes in, you're gonna know we're ready. So don't miss out. But I have no clue. Logan has no clue what the announcement is either. But he has not done anything yet.
He's just going to come on here and say,
we usually say that
not financial advice. We are not financial advisors.
Yeah, I'm mostly at 350 right now. It's just ranging. Like Logan sniped. Like yesterday I was sniping. Today Logan's sniping.
On Fiverr.
It's awesome. The yellow boxes. So I mean, if you're talking about these guys down here, right? These are automated. If I can, no, I don't want to because that might actually show the sauce of what they are. So these right here, this is like a little indicator someone made for me that draws these boxes here for me manually. And I've been just testing it out. It hasn't been too bad, but these right here are sauce. These are my kind of key areas I look for. I only teach it to my students, and they've been amazing confluences. Like I thought this was going to pull down to this one. It didn't though. I have more below. SPX slowly almost tried to make this gap fill down here. NQ's relative strength is so obvious right now. Look at SPX slowly kind of trickling down. NQ's just ranging. If this gap fills, and then that's where SPX decides to flip, that's where we may see the pump up on NQ. Maybe. But NQ is holding on to its uptrend on the 2 minute. The 1 minute is literally in between. I think SPX might go for the gap fill soon or not. But at the moment, it is just rangy.
I got a couple levels here. I don't really like any of them. Probably going to go long and short on orb. So 425 and 381.
Long and short. Yeah, right now it's in a spot. Like I have nothing. Like I don't see a thing on my, like if I want to see that gap fill, obviously. Right now it's looking like we may come down a little bit more, but how much more is a question because right now the relative strength on NQ. There's the fill. I think that was that might be it if it filled it and now pops up. Let's see. Let's see if what I'm watching is what's gonna happen. All right, look at that. Look at the gap fill, and then for the flipper room.
Fill it out. Yeah, I'm gonna go long 425, short 381. Besides that, we're chilling, but we're up. We had 2 solid trades so far on the power hour, so I'm chilling.
Yeah, yep. Logan hit some snipers, so right now it's just ranging. SPX dropping again, and Q still kind of holding on to its range. 2 minutes pushing down. 2 minute would need to give up this 388. That would be its first level of uptrend. Then after that, 360.
Did you guys trade before you met Max? No, Max taught me how to trade. Literally, I saw him on YouTube. I saw him on Instagram trading options or talking about options. I was like, I don't know what this guy's talking about, but I'm going to try it out. I went to his YouTube, learned the free stuff on his YouTube on how to trade. I made $800 on, I think, Tesla or something. I said, this is fucking dope. And then he did the mastermind. He was like, you want to do this? I said, fuck yeah. And I jumped into the mastermind. And then I took the futures course. And since then, I stopped options, focused 100% on futures. And then I just followed Max into here. And here we are. Max is I don't know. I haven't learned from a single other person on how to trade except for Max.
Yeah. I started with options trading as well. But I had a previous mentor that helped me out with that. And then saw futures and Max. What the fuck is that? Yeah.
Oh. Great.
Damn, bro.
Sounds like I'm fucking glazing him. Great.
Yeah, but same thing, bro. Like we wouldn't be here without Max. Honestly, I would not be here without Max.
No,
straight up, I know it 100%. I would not be the trader I am today if I did not take that fucking mastermind course. That mastermind course literally changed the course that my life took.
Yeah, Javi, you know what's crazy is we're like almost a month away from hitting our first year mark. We haven't even hit our first year mark.
Yeah, I know, man.
Year in the next month or two.
Yeah,
we'll have officially hit our first year of trading.
You're right. You're right. Damn, man. Dude, it's crazy to even think about. It's crazy to think about that journey now.
Yeah, that's wild.
Dude,
yeah, it was early.
Yeah, it was like. I still think it's gonna move.
I think the mastermind ended like the first week of October. I think if I'm correct. Yeah.
Was it October?
September,
no,
1 week October. Yeah.
1 week October.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I got my first payout October 9th.
Yeah, because I moved back to the States right before it to just lock in on the mastermind stuff. And I moved in right before it. I was like, I'm committed. I'm gonna figure it out.
Dang, it's pumping up a little bit. I almost feel like we're getting a little entry.
Your wife.
So, the way she say we were in Hawaii when yeah. Yeah.
That's funny.
Yeah, she knows. She knows because I was like, when Max said that he was gonna do his webinar thing, I knew what was coming. So I was like, I want to make sure I'm in the webinar. I'm already gonna get a discount because I was a previous, thing. And I was like, shit, which card am I gonna use? And I was like, I went while my wife was sleeping. I went to go grab her credit card.
It's funny. I remember I kept asking like the staff there. I was like, do you guys have a veteran discount? Because I couldn't afford it. And I was like just moving back to the States. I had no money, no fucking situation. I was like, I'm committed to trading. I'm gonna learn from Max. And I was like, yo, do you guys have a discount? Do you have a discount? And then Max was like, fuck it. We're gonna do one for veterans. Veterans are going to get a law enforcement. We're going to give you guys a discount. I think it's the only discount Max has ever given, actually, ever. The only discount ever. And it was for his original mastermind course. And he did it for first responders and veterans. And I was like, thank God I can fucking afford it now. And it was more expensive than what it is now, right? Because it was everything combined. So for any of you guys who are being cheap as fuck and you don't want to invest in your education, Javi and I had to technically pay more back then. So stop being fucking bums and fucking invest.
That's right.
Got a lot of chop right now.
It's setting up to give me a push down if it cannot stay above. Let's see.
Logan was having trouble in the last month.
Stay above 400. Yeah, and when you detach like Logan has, right? Logan can detach emotionally from the numbers and everything. You will find yourself enjoying trading a lot more.
I'm just
for me it's right. Yeah, for me it's my size, like my sizing. Like I size a certain amount where I know if I lose it's phasing, and I don't care. I just move on. And that's important. Like the majority of times we go tilt because we ignore what sends us to tilt, right? Usually going too heavy, usually trying to chase that final last itch of the win with more than you normally would trade. Not waiting for your setup, all this stuff. Dude, this range is wild right now.
I like it though. Market can only do two
Yeah,
things.
hopefully we get a good move.
Market can only do two
It's
things.
setting up to push down right now if it cannot stay above 400, and it keeps pulling up and failing. So this looks like we might. Before it looked like it wanted to push up, and now everything is pointing down. Every single thing on my end is pointing down.
Still got us.
But we're gonna
testing
get that
orb.
330 volume. So
Yep.
oh, you have your orb. Ah, okay.
We're
I keep
just
forgetting about that.
bouncing
Yeah, but
off
we
of
got
it.
that 330 volume coming up.
Owen did good with these levels. They're doing good right now. These levels are popping off.
Awesome.
When
Just
did I
still
get
ranging,
interested in
though, so I'm like,
trading? When I was
no, wait, no.
I got interested in
No,
trading.
wait.
I had no interest in trading. I was fucking stuck in the Middle East contracting forever, and I didn't see a way out. And then I was just scrolling through Instagram, and I saw this fucking retard fucking talking about making a bunch of money, and I said, I want to be like that retard. And here I am. You guys want to know
It's so
something
far-
funny that I was
so
looking
far
into? I'll say it because
Yeah.
I couldn't accomplish it. I tried looking into if I could, I'm not kidding. I tried looking into if I could find a midget that looked like me, that was a midget. And I was going to see when Max wanted to meet up, and I was going to send the midget to meet with Max and be like, hey, I'm Logan. And I wanted to play that out, but I couldn't fucking find one. And I was like, that would have been so fucking good because Max would be like, what the fuck? But I couldn't find one. I looked everywhere. Couldn't find one online. That would have been so good. I tried so hard. I spent like a good week looking for like
midgets.com.
My internet search is a little fucking weird right now, but yeah, couldn't find it.
There's the 330 volume. This cracks over its 400. This might pump up a bit.
Orb is starting to form now.
386. They're under 386 is still steep. 15 points isn't that horrible. I think I'm gonna nibble. Let me see where we at. If it can stay above 392, is it gonna come back down to 392?
You guys are curious about this orb? We can tell you what this orb that's forming. It's 330 to 345 Eastern Standard Time.
Okay. Oh shit. Okay, damn. Okay. I got some of that. Damn. Okay. I didn't expect it to go that heavy. Holy shit. All right. I wish I had better entry, but fuck it. I'll take what I take on that. I'm already trailing out of this. That was just straight quantum right there. That buy signal pulled back a little bit, got in. And it's still going. I'm trailing. Holy shit. I'm trailing. Holy shit. Oh,
big trade, Javi. Nice trade.
Quantum guys, I know they were able to hopefully keep up with that one. That was hard. It's hard. Oh shit. Keep going. I'm up 20 some points right now. I'm going to leave.
If we get enough continuation, I'm going to jump in this. But I need more continuation. But that's a solid snipe, Javi.
Let's go, Arnold. Let's go, guys. Quantum gang. Hopefully y'all saw that. That was as clean as you can get of an A++ setup right there. As clean as you can fucking get.
Rejected right off the orb. We're bouncing right between the orb. That was a clear rejection off of it.
Oh, man. And it's still going. All right. Dude, that was, man, that took off so fast. I'm gonna get trailed out here on my last ones if it pulls back to 408. Should I do candle by candle 403? I mean, I'm up so much. I only have my runners. All right, I'll set it to 403 if it pulls back now. So yeah, I waited for that little kind of pushback. It gave you that little pullback after because I missed the initial signal. I looked back and I missed it. And then I saw the little pullback, got in. My stop was below 388.
If you're here, I know you love the orb as much as I do. And that's why we came out with the Max Options Trading Orb Indicator with a little bit of Max's sauce so you can get the best entry possible. Check out the Max Options Trading Orb Indicator today.
And took it, and then it just took off. The entry is usually at candle close with the trigger. Like this is the A++ setup we go over in the sessions, guys. Cross inside the body. Everything was there for it to form. You know, candle size wasn't so much larger than everything else, and it took off. But those study sessions, we go over these. But when you're ready for them, like again, you guys follow my Insta and stuff, you see how these go like that, right? You see my gains just go, oh, I'm like, what? Because that's what the A++ setup brings when all the when everything is matching up. So anybody that's a quantum trader gets to see my ugly mug an extra 2 times outside of power hour. The stuff we go over in the sessions is just what quantum is. Like I go over exactly what I look for. Where they like you look at SPX. SPX literally had the exact same setup as NQ, right? Here's the short setup. NQ didn't have a short setup. There was a little push down, right? But here's the problem with this. The candle was so much bigger than everything behind it that made it risky. And it's still going. I'm up $100 on 2 micros. All right, I'm getting out one more micro. I'm letting this one last micro ride.
All right, so this is the orb. We just popped it. We just popped it. I need to see a little bit of a movement in continuation. No, you don't have a buffer on alpha after you pass it.
Yeah.
You just need 5 winning days.
You just need, just 5 winning days. Alpha's freaking awesome. I love alpha. Yeah, dude, I love alphas. I do really like alpha, the way alpha is end of day. Like that is so fucking awesome. Like they have, I think on the rapid one, they do have daily though. It is daily. All right, but if you're being good, you shouldn't really hit the daily. I'm currently up like 26 points on this last little micro because
it's a good break.
When you have so many people, oh shit, I'm up 30 points on this one.
This might run without me. This trade.
I'm up 40. I'm up 40 points.
I gotta wait for the next candle. I gotta wait. I'm gonna wait for the next candle.
Holy shit! I'm up 40 points on this one.
Yeah, it might run without me. No problem.
I got in that long at 3.99. I'm gonna trail by 10 points. I do candle by candle. It's about 10 points. No, it's not. Holy shit! It's still going.
If we get a good continuation on this next candle, Javi, I will jump in.
I don't know where I want to trail. I kind of want to start. I'm up $100 on this one micro, and I don't want to give much of it back.
If we get up to 48, 49, I'll jump in long. But it needs to happen now.
Back.
If it doesn't happen now, I'm not getting in.
I want to keep holding it. I think it could keep going, but it kind of just stalled here at 441. This might be the little resting point. It might come all the way back down to 4. There it goes. Yeah, I just lost half of that micro value.
The fuck are these candles?
411. It's probably gonna test right here. 411.
What are these?
It's gone wild, dude.
Candles 42 down to 17, 35, 30-point candles.
Yep, it's wild.
No trades for me still.
Something's gonna happen.
No trades for me still. I'm happy with my 2 wins.
Something's gonna happen. Yeah, and I caught that banger right there.
Yesterday's
was
high.
40, 50 points at one point. 40 some points. Yeah, MOC in 10 minutes. Oh man, I think I might just get out of this last micro. I went from it being $100 to now it's up $40 because I was thinking of where I wanted to trail, and instead of trailing, I let it drop. Like I think it's gonna come back down and retest this 411, right? 410, 411. It's not financial advice, pussies. Remember that. Yeah. Hey, when they're wiki days, guys, wiki days where these candles are 30 points each, 1 or 2 micro does the trick. 1 or 2 micros. Everyone thinks they always have to trade heavy or minis or like a ton of like more than 6 micros, man. I've made back when Trump was first like kind of transitioning and we had these days where there was 50-point candles, I went in with 2 micros and I was hitting like $150 to $200 wins consistently with 2 micros, and it was so freaking nuts because it was just like the risk wasn't even that bad on a lot. Do you guys ever notice how many times it comes back to the freaking previous day 330 orb? Like I swear 70% of the time it does. And I have not back tested it. I've been wanting to back test how many times it comes back to the previous day's freaking 330 orb. And it does it a lot. I'm up $70 on this micro again. I'm going to let it ride or die. I'm going to let this micro, it came back to retest that area close. Very 412 is where we tested and jumped up. Very close. I'm at $100 on this micro. I'm at $100 on this micro. I hit 50 points. 50 points. Well, then I got to post it up. If it did, should I keep holding it? I think
if this next candle, Javi, if this next candle pops above, gets to like 58, I'll go in long. 100. This next candle goes to 58.
Responsible. Should I have responsibilities? It's $100 right now in 1 micro. Now I'm at 95. Now I'm at 90. Ooh, it's getting wild. It's getting super wiki.
Trade for me
it's
again.
Getting super duper wiki. We got 4 minutes till MOC hits. I kind of want to hold for that gap fill. I'm going to hold for the gap fill. I'm up 115 on this 1 micro right now. I want to see how high I can go. I'm going for that gap fill, I think. I don't know. I don't know how far I'm going, but right now everything's pointing north. Hard as shit. The MOC is in 2 minutes. So I'm kind of want to just start flat and get out of this. At the same time, I want to see if that gap fills. I think it's starting to flatten out. I think I'm going to get out of this for now.
Bobby, that was a solid long though. That was a crazy long. When did you get in originally? You got in at like 400. That was like a 60-point trade. Yeah, solid work.
399.
Nice.
Yeah, 399 was the entry on those.
Yeah, didn't present for me. That's solid.
All right, I'm gonna wait for MOC now. I want to have a clean slate on MOC. I don't want to be holding that and then be looking at that instead of looking at MOC.
Oh shit! New orb, fucking FOMC MOC's coming right now.
Yeah.
Oh fuck.
Yeah, it's looking bullish right now.
Fuck. I was not paying attention.
But this is starting to form a level here at 51.
All right.
If it can stay above orb, if it breaks down below 43, I'm gonna be eyeing to short it down. Let me delete that.
Okay.
If it can hold above orb,
I mean, I still wouldn't have had a trade set up, so it doesn't matter.
Continue to pump. But the 2 minutes flattening out. The 5 minute to me looks bullish. The 1 minute has a level now at 451. So we got like it. I think it's gonna pump up. Yep, there it goes. I was that little long. 4 micros. I'm up 87. I'm gonna trail out too. Holy shit! There it goes. There it goes. Stayed over orb. All right. Let's see how far it can go. If it continues to stay over orb, it's gonna keep going. If not, look at the strength. Look. SPX took a dump and Q popped up. If SPX can revert and continue, NQ is gonna jump higher. Here goes. Here goes. Come on, SPX. Flip. It doesn't want to. NQ might try to catch up.
How big of a move was that above?
It breaks back into orb. You're gonna be careful. That wasn't that. That was a 44.
I don't really like.
I mean, that was a 16-point move. No.
Doesn't work for me. No trade setups.
All right. Bouncing off the top of orb again. SPX is still dumping. NQ is showing a ton of strength. Like NQ's relative strength is pretty good. Okay, if it breaks back into orb, I got trailed out on my two. Let's see. I want to see if it bounces back up. I might re-enter it. I took that 16-point pop up and scaled out and left my last two, and now it looks like it wants to jump up again. But SPX is dumping and Q is just holding on. I want to see SPX flip a little bit. All right, we got 455 coming in a few minutes. As soon as SPX flips, we should see this thing skyrocket. If not, we might just stick around and hang out here. But everything was pointing north on my end. Yeah, everything was pointing north on my end. But it's kind of stalling out. Come on, SPX, flip. No, doesn't want to. Go, 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 go. Oh, yes. Keep going. I got 2 micros writing on this.
I want this to 65. I need this to pump up to 65, 66. And I need it to pump up to 65, 66 before it closes.
Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Uh-oh, my Dom's getting crazy. My Dom's going a little nuts. Something's about to happen. And I don't know what it could be. I'm going to leave these two back entry. Maybe 5 points up. I'm up. All right, it's going to trail me out. Yep. All right, trailed me out. Let's see what happens here now. SPX is still dumping. NQ is starting to try to flip, but it's holding on, man. Look at SPX dump. NQ's strength is showing off really well. We might see a retap of 43. And if SPX flips down here at 27, then NQ might continue its merry way up. Oh, almost got there. Yeah, 27. Hit 27.
No good trades for me.
We got 2 more minutes.
Yep, I agree with Doc. You guys should try the 0 plan. They're solid. I think it's really good.
Yeah, it is very solid.
I might just get some 0 plans just to stay consistent and just like feel comfortable and just be like, all right, this is what's paying me. And then I'll have fun with my advanced. You know what I mean? Hobby's absolutely right. Yesterday, I was a little upset with how Power Hour went, personally. I was like, I don't like how that went. I just barely secured like a win and I wasn't happy at all with myself. I even messaged Hobby about it that I was pissed off, but I got over it. And then today was my biggest trading day ever. Right. So it's like, if you just put it away, don't let your emotions get to you. Fucking get your fucking shit straight. The fucking day's not over. Job's not done. And you're good. Move the fuck on. There's always another trade. Yeah. There's always another day. Hobby's very, very right.
There it goes. 43 tapped again. Who got in on the tap of 43 again? I did. I got 3 micros, $80. I'm trailing a few. Oh, shit. That was a nice pump. Pumped right at the tap right there. Oh, yeah. All right, here. I'm going to take a clip. Man, I got back in on that. And I'm about to trail a little close now. Why not?
Okay, this is good. This is good.
Boom.
This is good. Let's
20
get up
points.
to...
I'm up 20 points right now on these 2 micros.
All right. All right.
I'm
now I need to just chill out.
Got one.
Chill
I got
out.
one more.
All right, Javi, I need it to chill out, and then the next candle pump through, and I'm going long. But I got to wait. I need it to chill out first.
All right. Let's see. All right, I got out of one, or I got trailed out on one. Got my last one trade. It will trail me out at 54 if it does. It's getting there. It's not whatever. I already took one up there at 65. Oh, took me out. I'm good with that. Oh,
I need this to get up to. If this gets up to like,
fuck off.
This gets up to 75, I'll go long. Otherwise, no trade. No trades for me then for a post.
Dude, you hit those 2 bangers early. I hit these 2 or kind of 3 at the end. We're good.
You hit that 160 pointer. That was fucking killer.
Yeah.
No trades for me, guys. No trades. Dude, no trades.
I already got trailed out on it. I'm fine just watching it. Today was a smooth, very smooth power hour.
Let's see. I'm gonna give it until
very smooth.
I'm gonna give it. Well, fuck. I mean, if we get another setup, if we can get some good volume or movement, I'm in. But I gotta wait. All right, I'm looking at the potential long here.
Wait.
I actually like the potential long.
Hold on.
Here.
What's this guy say?
Where did we get?
Just waiting since the bottom. Do you ever?
I'm about to go long.
Trades?
I'm about to go long. Yeah, I'm going long. I'm going long. I'm going long. First TP is gonna be 91. First TP is gonna be 91. I'm getting in the long now. That met my criteria. See if we can get one last trade out. 91 is going to be my first TP. Oh, shit. Let's go. TP smashed.
Look at that fucking pump.
TP smashed. Let's fucking go. Holy shit. I'm up fucking $1,800 now on the power hour. TP hit. Auto trail activated. We're moving all cons. We're ripping now. Let's fucking go. Wow. Dude, 3 for 3.
From that initial long entry, it's 100 points.
Wow. Look at this. Look at this. Guys, holy shit. Look at this fucking trade. I'm up fucking $1,000 right now.
There's
my fucking copy.
Hey, boo-boo. We about to beat your ass up.
That 1 mini. I got one left. I'm up $2,500 fucking dollars on the power hour. $2,500. I'm moving my cons up to 5 to 505. 3 for 3. Let's go.
Too easy, man. I love this, man. I
1 mini
love
left.
this. And
Stop
I
at
don't care.
505. We're ripping.
I don't
still.
care who comes in here and tries to say shit, man. We keep catching shit like this all the time, man. Look at that. Look at that fucking go. Damn.
On a stop loss is 510. Stop loss 510.
100 some shit points, dude.
Oh.
Fucking awesome, man.
I gotta adjust my charts. We just ripped. That's a fucking 30-point trade right there. No, that's almost 40 points.
Yep. Everything was pointing north, man.
I like this.
Like
I like potential scaling. If we get a new higher high, it was good timing.
This ain't financial advice, pussies.
It was good timing.
You gotta remember, this ain't financial advice.
All right. I'm gonna.
We hit bangers, man.
3 bar. You know what? No, we're leaving it 510. We might get a 3 bar here though. We're gonna chill. 510. 1 mini left. We're up fucking big on the power hour. 3 trades. We're up over $2,500.
I'm done.
Oh, we filled that. You know what we filled, Hobby? Hobby, we filled that MVG gap all the way up there.
We filled the gap. I know. Wow. I was just saying. We filled the gap.
Look at that MVG gap fill. Insane.
Perfect.
Insane. Everybody left.
Was filled. Everything's been filled.
I wonder how many people missed that last trade. Yeah, I'm still in this trade also, guys. My stop loss is at 510. Still in this trade. Stop loss is at 510. I'm just gonna hold it.
Hold on, I gotta put my shit together and see how much I made. I mean, yeah, obviously on the pro was already a killer. Touch that one. I'm gonna get myself paid out from that one. Boom, boom, boom. I think were these the only ones I traded today? I think so. I didn't trade too much.
And we're out. We're out. We're out of the trade. $2,500 on the power hour. 3 trades. Let's fucking go,
dude. Woo. Okay, like 900 or 800 of this was here during power hour. Probably a little around there. Maybe a little more. I don't know.
I think that means my total.
The rest of this was all mobile.
My total now is $45,000 today. Huge.
This was my alpha, and the minus $10 when I accidentally got into a mini. I was like, shit, I got a mini. Got out that bitch fast.
Anybody who I coach, you guys should have seen that level. Why we waited so long. We didn't get into any of these plays beforehand, right? This is why it's kind of a good idea if you get Javi and Logan. Javi would have gotten you all those long up to it, and then my sauce would have gotten you the continuation stuff. That's a good combo right there. This is why we're the fucking power hour boys.
That was a killer.
And Max put us here, right? There's a reason for it.
Look at like this is what I'm telling you guys, right? The quantum gang. Look at the initial entry all the way down here at 95. I didn't even enter at 95. I entered at 99. And look at that fucking 130 some point move, man. 120 some point from that little signal down here. Look at that little tiny signal.
All right, I'm logging the fuck out. I'm done. This might dump. Don't care. Log out. Follow your rules. Stay disciplined.
Nope. Done. Be done.
All right.
Everything went the way we thought it was gonna go. Couldn't have
nice power hour, huh, boys?
Easier to read.
Yeah, that was dope.
Hell yeah.
No special guest, just a fun little announcement for the boys here at Power Hour. Really, it's more for them than you guys. You guys are going to get some benefits from it too, but it's really more for the Power Hour guys. Really, it's more for these losers right here. Anarchy, roll it, baby. So the Power Hour special is officially sponsored by Alpha Futures. I have locked down a deal. I locked down a deal, and Logan and Javi are officially served by Alpha Futures.
Wow. And I was glazing them the whole show.
Didn't even guys.
No, really perfect. And I was like, man, they're talking about Alpha so good right now. Alpha Futures. I was on the phone dealing with them and their CEO, having meetings, getting it all prepared, negotiating and doing everything. And so I have negotiated a nice deal. So 3 shows a week will be sponsored by Alpha Futures. And yes, that means the boys will be giving away a 50K Alpha Futures account every single fucking sponsored show, baby. On top of the indicators, these boys get it. And more importantly, the best thing of all, Javi and Logan, I negotiated a nice little salary for you guys. More money for you guys.
Oh God, man, that's so amazing!
Congratulations! Any show that has 900, you guys have to keep up. You got to keep up the content. Look at the beautiful graphics we got already. Yeah. Beautiful everything. Dude, the only thing you don't get is your own motherfucking code. You got to use code BDM. That's my part.
Let's go.
Yeah, guys, use code BDM.
That's it, guys. Huge sponsorship deal.
Wow.
And I think that you guys should kick off your sponsorship with a bang. I mean, why not give away fucking 3 accounts right now?
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Oh shit. This is funny because I just hit $18,000 on their funded account today. This is great fucking timing. Holy shit. Let's go.
I told you. I said we got a guy. I said, we got a guy who is going to be on your leaderboards, or he's going to blow $40,000 trying to get there. One or the other. So,
win-win for them. It's a win-win.
So congratulations to the guys. Three shows a week will be sponsored by Alpha Futures here on the Power Hour Special. It is all theirs.
Fuck yeah.
I thought it was a great fit for Logan and Javi because they've been rocking with Alpha Futures. They obviously know a lot about the firm. The owners are awesome. I met with the owners and it's going good, and you guys deserve it. So now on the Power Hour Special, guys, you get free accounts here too. Ooh. And indicators. Don't stop giving out the indicators too. Give out both now. Don't slow down. More pedals on the gas, boys. You deserve it. The universe will serve it, baby. And a fucking Power Hour Special is an amazing show, and it deserves an official sponsor. And what better sponsor than Alpha Futures, one of the best prop firms in the fucking game. So make sure you guys support the team. Hit that code BDM on Alpha Futures and keep rocking out with Javi and Logan.
Let's fucking go. Huge.
Oh, guys,
let's go.
That's huge news. Holy shit.
Big Daddy Max, appreciate you, brother.
I was like,
let's go.
Yeah, you guys deserve it, baby.
Yeah,
so
congratulations,
guys.
Awesome.
You got some indicators to give out, and you got three accounts to give out. Fuck it, give them away. Give away 3 accounts. This is a great announcement. This is huge. Make sure you guys are fucking enjoying it. Have fun, and Alpha Feuds, baby.
Let's fucking go.
One of the most premier, honestly, for a sponsorship. For a sponsorship, you guys are starting on a real high here. That's huge. That's huge to start off with a firm like Alpha Feuds. That is massive. Like there's guys that have been in the game for a long time that can't get a firm like Alpha Feuds. They're partnered with big names, huge names. So for these guys here to put in the work and get it done and be able to get accepted, unreal work, unreal. And it's just absolute testimony of what they've built here on the Power Hour Special. So every day, count giveaways or indicators. And 3 days a week, you're going to get both. It's all yours. Make it all yours. Power Hour Special is your show. And start dropping these Alpha Futures accounts on these bitches.
Let's go. Let's go.
All right. Enjoy, fellas. And serious congratulations to the Power Hour team. Congratulations to these guys. They well deserve it. W's in the chat. Have an awesome evening, guys.
So much,
let's go. Dude, what are the chances? What are the chances that today, my biggest trading day ever on an Alpha account, they happen to sponsor us today also? $18,000 I made on their funded account, and then we get sponsored by them. Insane. Fucking huge.
It's like when the stars align, literally. Like,
look at this. I'm going to post a screenshot of that account again, guys. Look at this. I'm not bullshitting. This is a funded account. $18,306 on an Alpha funded advanced account. 150K account. Epic. All right. Let's get to it. I'm hype as fuck. Let's do the giveaway.
All right. The very first winner of our very first amazing giveaway for Alpha, the GOAT Futures, is 246. 246.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Zen Ang. I feel like I've got this guy's won an indicator before. Zen Ang. Congratulations. Hey, open up a sport ticket. You are the first winner of an Alpha Futures 50K account. Congratulations. Javi, we made it. Javi, we made it.
I know we made it. We made it. It's official.
Less than a year ago, you and I were struggling. You and I were struggling. We were trying to figure out how to escape the bullshit that we were living, and we made it. And now we're fucking we're crushing it. We're getting payouts all the time. We're working for Big Daddy Max. We're big members of the MOT. We're now fucking sponsored. This is insane. What a change.
Oh my God. This is wild, man. Right? This is the stuff that I see on the internet. This is what's crazy. And I'm actually living.
Yeah. It's a dream. It's all a dream, dude.
It is, dude.
Huge, guys. Well,
that's wild, man.
I got nothing else to say. You guys know everything else. Javi, what do you got?
I'm almost at a loss for words how grateful I am for all. I'm grateful for every single one of y'all. Again, just, remember, this is not financial advice, pussies. We're just 2 guys here having fun.
I got to go touch some grass. I'm too amped right now. See you guys tomorrow for Friday. Have a good night.